Hello to the team at Sadro Design Studio. My name's Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you a couple of really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking, and using the search words interior designer Everett, I found you on page 4. You're about a third of the way down. Got you highlighted right there. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google, they never look past page 1. So that is a huge percentage of traffic that is not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and onto page 1, which will multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. Title tags are these blue lines of text here. Here's yours. The title tag is telling Google that this is what you want to rank for, and it's also telling Google that these are the very keywords or search words that you want people to use to find you with. Now, I see one issue here. The title tag always needs to contain the keyword that you want to be ranked for, and you have that covered, interior designer. And the second thing Google looks for in the title tag is your location, Everett. You got that covered. So this is pretty good. Then you got the word archives in here. Now Google is looking to rank you for this word, archives, and this is where the confusion begins for Google. This is kind of canceling out the first 2 bits of data you have here. So nobody searching for your services is going to know to type in the word archives in their search. So let me show you how critically important it is to get the right keywords in your search words in your title tag. If I copy yours word for word, open up a new tab, and paste it into the search bar, paste and go, watch what happens. Boom, you come up number 1 on page 1 in my new search. You are the first business a searcher will see when using these search words. But again, nobody's searching for your services would ever know to type in the word archives. So now this ties in directly with a second issue that I wanted to point out to you, a second thing that Google looks at when trying to rank you, and that is your H1. Now the H1 is a line of text on your website that needs to match this. The H1 also contains the search words you want people to use to find you with. Now, let me go back to your website and open up this scanning tool. We're going to come down and find out that, first of all, you have 2, actually you have 3 H1s. Whoa. Anytime you have more than 1 H1, Google doesn't know what to do with that. And so this is confusion issue number 1 for Google. Actually, it's confusion issue number 2 because, as stated earlier, confusion issue number 1 is none of these H1s are matching what you have in your title tag. And again, these H1 fields, where you're only supposed to have 1, it's supposed to contain the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And again, nobody searching for your services would ever type in studio profile in their search, and they wouldn't even know to type in your business's name in their search. So when you add all these things together, Google is confused and doesn't know exactly what it is that you want to rank for. And when that happens, Google doesn't know who to direct to you and will instead red flag and demote your website. So these simple fixes alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because they would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm. So if you'd like to know more about this and some of the other ranking factors too, just reply back and let me know. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. So that's how powerful it is to be on the top of page 1. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.